This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a set of car LED headlights. This is by the company AUXITO, global supplier for automotive. These are the H4 bulbs. Let's just take them out of the package here and see what they look like. Oh, they give you a white glove. How cool is that? There's a little product manual there. Look at these. These things look awesome. They look beefy. Don't these just look beefy? Supposedly that's aircraft aluminum. Looking over all that, that has a very good premium. They have the logo in the middle there. They don't look like they're adjustable, but my headlights will just go in like that. So I know because I have two Nissan cars, and both of them have the headlights that go like that, and then a little like bracket that closes down on them. And you could see right there's both of them. There's no left or right. There's a serial number on them. Let's just look over the product manual here. Yeah, it's pretty simple installation. See, there's the H4, which is what mine is. There's two little wires that holds it in, and there's the other one. You know what? If you've installed the headlights, you probably know how to do these. Let me install these, and I'll show you what they look like after I install them. So let's click over, and let's do that now. All right, everybody, I just went ahead and installed them, and as you can see right here, there was a few tools I needed to get the old school halogen out. So to get these out right here, I had to use a screwdriver to push those in, and then I had to use these pliers on that side, and then on this side I had to use my little tiny next tool pliers. So this is the next tool, kind of like pliers that I went down in there, and it made it really tiny so I could get these springs that hold the light on. But it worked perfect. I had this done in like 5 minutes as quickly, and you can see right here they are officially in. So we are on our LED right now. So let's go ahead. Now that I've got them switched out, I'll show you the, you know, good old, I think these came with the car. This is the original that came with the car. So I'm going to keep those just as a backup. But let's go ahead and switch over and show you what they look like with the normal halogen lights in there to the newer LED lights, because I can tell y'all these things look awesome just looking at them right here. Let me back up and look at them right here like this. Does that not look awesome? Look how bright that is. Let's go ahead and look at them at night. So let's do that. Everybody, here it is. It's nighttime. We're going to go ahead and let's do a quick test. I have the LED lights installed, so I'm going to go ahead and turn them on. That's on high, so there's the high beam. Look at the distance that it gave me out through there and how better that beam looks. And let's just look at it from the front right here. Notice that it doesn't have that amber top look to it. There's the left and the right. Now let's go ahead and let's put them on a low beam. That looks awesome. So that's a way better look. Let me look at it from the windshield. That looks so much better than the normal halogen bulbs. I'll put the side by side up right now, and you can see right here on the left is the old, and then right here is the new. So how cool is that? Let me put them back on bright. So the bright, it looks like you get more down here, and then you get that more distance right there. That looks cool. Where the other one, the bright, was not, it was just more of a line up there. And looking at it from the windshield here, that looks really good. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the AUXITO LED headlight. See y'all next video. Woo!